Vehicle-specific replacement or spare. This keyless entry transmitter looks and functions like the original fob on certain vehicle years, makes, models and configurations. Do-it-yourself solution. Includes a patented programmer that plugs into your OBD II port to set up your new fob in minutes, without expensive dealership programming. Matches features. This 3-button remote control features lock, unlock and panic functions. Includes blank key that can be cut to match your original. Important notes. You must have at least one of your original keys or fobs for programming process. Only for use on vehicles that came originally equipped with keyless entry. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. Need a new keyless remote? This fob is designed to look and function exactly like your original, and you don't need to pay for expensive programming at the car dealership. This Dorman OE fix replacement includes a patented, DIY-friendly programming tool for simple replacement. Just plug it into the OBD II port in your dashboard, follow the included instructions, and you're good to go. Setup takes minutes, and you can rely on your new remote for years. This part is compatible with the following vehicles. Before purchasing, enter your vehicle trim in the garage tool to confirm fitment. Top reviews from the United States. Easy to set up. Good quality and easy to use, however it took an eternity to receive, over 2 months, and wouldn't let me cancel order on multiple times. It kept changing the delivery date. So if you are in a hurry to install, then it's not for you.